Hello guys, in today's tutorial, we will learn how to do a campaign using API of our marketing platform that is Flexiwaba. To do so, navigate to Manage, navigate to API key. We will find here API key and also the documents of this API. So click on this Read API Docs. We will find our API URL in this. The method is post. We will also find the request body that has to be sent to that particular URL. I already made a postman collection for the same, so I'll directly open that. Here I have choose the method post and also I have copied the API key or API URL from that platform and I have pasted the API URL over here. And in header section I have API keys part. I have API key in the key section, and in front of that I'll paste the API key from our marketing platform, and I have to copy this. I'll paste the API key over here, and in the content type I'll select application JSON. Now in the body section I'll choose raw and JSON. From this body request I have API key, campaign name, destination and username as required fields. So these four fields are required. I'll write the four fields over here. Now I have to create a template and then campaign using that template to send it to my user. To do so, I'll create a template first. I'll navigate to template message. I'll click on new. I'll select the category of the template, that is marketing. Now we have to select the language also. I'll give a template name. Always remember that this template name should be in the lowercase. So I'll write the name over here. I'll select the template type. We can select text, image, video file, location, etc. So for now, I'll select image. I'll write the message over here. This is a simple image template. Footer is optional, so we can leave that part. Now we will click on submit. So our template has been successfully submitted for approval. Let's wait for this template to get approved. We can check that from the approved section over here. We will click on sync status to sync this status. So we can see that the testing tutorial template has been approved. Now what we will do is we will create a campaign. To do so, navigate to campaigns. Click on this launch. Click on API campaign. Give your campaign a name. We will write campaign name as testing tutorial. We will select the template that we have created just now in template selection section. So we will select testing tutorial. We will click on set live now. So the campaign has been successfully created. Let's go to campaign and let's see whether it is live or not. So we can see the status over here. We can see that the campaign is live. So we will use this campaign to send it to our user using API. We will copy this name. We will go to postman again. We will paste the name that has been copied in campaign name section. This API key is not required here as we have already mentioned the API key in the headers section. So we will remove this thing. Now in destination field, we have to write the number to which we want to send a particular campaign. So for now, I'll write any number. We have to mention 91 before the number. So I'll write 9090909090. Username can be your name or the company's name. So for now I'll write XYZ company. In the media section, we have to paste the URL of the image or the file or the video that we want to send it to our users. As we have created the image template, we will paste the link of the image that we want to use in our campaign. So I'll find any image from Google. So let's search images. So for now, I'll use this image template or this image. So I'll copy the image address. I'll go to Postman. I'll paste the URL in URL section. Now I'll give file name. So it can be sample.jpg or jpeg depending on the image type. In template params, I have to remove this part as there are no variables in our template. Now let us send this message. So we are getting error as unauthorized. So what we will do is we will write API key over here, and in front of that we will mention the API key that we have. Let's see the result now. So we are getting the error as invalid media. So the media file that we have attached is invalid. Now what we will do is we will copy this, we will remove this link, we will go to Google again. Then let me find some link that is working. So hmm, so let's see whether it is working or not. We will send the request again. So we have got the success reply. Now some of the errors that you can encounter is of template parameters, that parameters doesn't matching. So in that case you have to use the if you have used the variables in your template, then you have to mention the variables that has been used in your template as comma separated values. You have to write 1 2 3. So let us create the template for the same. So what we will do is we will go to manage, we'll go to template message, we will create a new template message. Let's give it name as variable template test. So we will select template type as text. In template format we will write hello 1, sorry, hello 1. So this 1 is variable. Now we have to give sample value for that. Hello, for now I'll give Alendai. So let's create the template. Too many variable parameters relative to the message length. So let's increase the word count. Let's submit it. So our template has been successfully submitted for approval. Let's see whether it has been approved or not. We'll click on sync status. Okay, so the message has been approved. Now we will create a campaign with the same template. So we will follow the steps that has been previously shown. So we will click on API campaign. We will give campaign name, variable campaign. Let's select the template, variable template test. We will click on set live. So campaign has been successfully created. We will go to campaign. We will see the status of the campaign. Okay, so our campaign is live. Now what we will do is we will copy the name of this campaign. We'll again go to Postman. Now we will replace the name of the campaign to the campaign which we have created now. We will remove this media. We will comment out this media part as there is no media in our template. Now in template params, we will write the variable that we have used. So we just have one variable. So we will remove this def part. We will remove this comma also. We will send the request and let's see what's the response. We have received success response. So our campaign has been created as well as sent to our user successfully. Thank you so much.